New love day there. We got Pal speaking. Got Pal speaking. Already took a little loss on the sesh. Just butchered a trade. All right, coming into prior day high. Let's see. God damn it, bro. We're just goobed up in the other chat. What's going on, Chrissy? Let's see your trades, buddy. I know you've been slapping it. Bro, I just chugged a bunch of coffee. I'm cranked. Might have been a mistake. All right, back into underside of 500. Damn. What he said. Hold on, it hasn't refreshed. He said, I consider Putin a misguided person. We are not close. We are not close to peace. That sucks. Bro, I was really hoping that a war in Ukraine would end like months ago. But no. That would be unprofitable for everyone. Ooh, session epoch at 500 too. Alright, let's see if we get a reclaim of that 500 or if that second test rolls over. Like I said, we do got sesh VPOC at 500. And all that structure. So I wonder if we just roll over and make a new low. New low day. So those 500 shorts are looking great. Thinking about it. Was thinking about it right there. Too slow. Too gosh darn slow. Yeah. What a fumble. Those no man's land scoops have been great. Oh man. Oh, love no man's land. The level of interest is what? Did you take that? I hope you did, man. By the time I realized what's happening, it was already like up here. And I just didn't want to chase those extra few points. Let me see, I was like 2-3 points too late. And that is too late for me. Ah, you missed it too? Damn it, Chrissy. Fuck it, lock in. Get your espresso. Put on your seatbelt, we're gonna be here all day. Trading all the traps. Mashallah, my brother. Oh, this is a rain goblin entry here. Right here. Right here. Bro's gonna be sending me fibs. What's that? What's that, brother? Brother, Nah, I get it. May as well stack all the imaginary lines we can, huh? Stack them all in our favor. Did you take that? The high or low? Mr. High or Low Goblin. I wonder if this is going to be an upthrust here at 500 just for it to roll over or what. Looks like a Damathi kind of entry. For short. I feel like a doofus for not grabbing that. Such an uneventful morning, this might be it. You gotta sit here patient and pissed. What is this? Oh. Get me out, get me out. I want to try this just for fun. Oh, never mind. Doesn't even offer an entry. I was gonna take this like higher low type deal in the practice account, but no. Mr. Market said stick to sweeps. Feels like the market is waiting on Powell to say something crazy. Man, so much overlapping candles, so tight. What up, Desi? The fuck you mean you got edged? On what? Okay, 1017. Ooh, yeah. That's not great. Not great. Did you, what, you didn't re-enter here? It's a pretty compelling looking hammer. Oh, you did? Damn. That sucks, bro. He just stopped you out and ran it. Oh, man. It's like a spring right there. That infamous spring you always ask about. You got sprung. Nice. Yeah, it's unfortunate with the overhead 500 and the Sesh VPOC. Didn't have much room to run. As you can see, it's just been chopping there. Have you considered what I said about starting another account and trying to trade another strategy in a different account? Just trade only sweeps or like springs. You should be a pro with those by now. There's one right here. And you can even say there's one right here, the one that stopped you out. This one's not that great though, unless you drop down on the 15-second, and then it's pretty great. Unfortunately, I missed it. Right there. Till then, we're just waiting. But bro, I knew I could smell you coming a mile away, buddy. What's good, Ray? I was just about to say, man, Mr. Ray's making me want to get a separate account to try a strat. To try a stratty. Bro, how's it every day that I'm drinking coffee and I start yawning right after? It makes no sense. Like, I'll get the coffee jitters, I'll be extremely cranked up on it. And then like 15 minutes later, start yawning. What's the last trade you took, Mr. Ray? This one? Are you getting chopped up in this? Hope not. Damn. $10.40. $10.40. Okay. What's the idea? Or, I mean, I kind of get it, but I want you to explain it to me like I'm slow. Yeah, very ass. What was the last trade you took, Chrissy? What was the last trade you took? And what are you trying to see? I mean, that might be your Velociraptor right there. Let's see. You want to see a 500 higher low, or you took this 500 higher low? I see. Alright, I'm gonna try this out. No, oh man, that's pretty bad, honestly. I just close that. Yeah, that was a retard entry on my end. Wow. Can't believe I just longed into 500. Absolute retard. Wow. What the fuck? I'll just close it there. I'll just close it there for a small loss, bro. I don't want to. That was bad. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, jeez. Yeah, see, that's exactly what I mean. That was a retard entry. Would have got smoked. That was bad. That's what I should have done, Ray. That's what I should have done too. I was thinking about it in a moment too. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna put a limit entry right there, and then I just bought it right into 500. And then I realized what I did. Oh, it's so bad. I want to do this right here. I don't think that was even a sweep now that I'm looking at it. Alright, I am not locked in. I need to stop looking at my messages. Mr. Kyle messaged me talking about he wants to switch from back adjusted charts. That got me distracted, but I'm trying to figure out why he wants to do that. Since we've been using back adjusted for so long. It's funny he says that, because did you influence him, Christopher? Because you were just telling me yesterday about this. You were just telling me yesterday about how you don't like the back adjusted ones. Well, yeah, like why the sudden change? What did you guys read an article or something? What am I missing? What's going on? Bro, I thought there was a sweep here by like a few ticks. There was not. That was another reason for closing that early. I did not like that. I did not like that. Damn, so you just won't tell me, huh? You just won't tell me what you guys found out? New conspiracy? Strategy? None? You're silly. No, I just trade structure sweeps. Just trade liquidity sweeps. That's it. Call it the Wyckoff spring or for a trap, for a spring, or liquidity sweep. All the same thing. Make a new low, sweep liquidity, get your entry, bounce. That's pretty much all I trade. That's all I trade right now. I hope that helps. Yeah, I see. That makes sense. That makes sense. Back into that 500. And volume is dead again. Wow. Absolutely gone. Can't do much with this. Be right back. It's 11. No move yet. So, be right back. today. See. Just filled myself short there by accident. Crazy. Just not that locked in. Nice. Yeah, I'm watching that priority high as well. What's funny is, oh, never mind. That gave like 5 points, but I would have never got filled. This is a good area to look for that Mr. Ray entry with the fib. With how wide the stops are and all. Yeah, I think it is too. Considering that's your little rollover. Yeah. Two trades both went up green and then killed. Hate to see it. That's exactly why I didn't activate the XFA. I just don't trust it yet. I just don't trust it yet. Well, this is gonna be a juicy recording to watch back. What's down? NQ on my account. That's what's down. Trying to see what we have here at priority low. Trading this little structure. Yeah, I pushed it a little hard on 2 wide stops, so that got me. Where did you go wrong, sir? Bro, how many times? This is that Topstep X shit. TradingView would have filled that. That's crazy. That's actually nuts. This thing is pretty shit for scalping, I'll tell you that. Got trapped at 11:06. Oh, so did I. Yeah. I took that same trade. So the stop on that was a little too wide for me. So I suffered the consequence. It's all good. Just don't tilt. Just take the next good trade and all good. Nice, there's a good move off prior day low. With the benefit of this structure too, pretty clean. I'll turn on my executions here in a bit. Just don't want them to get in the way of the candles. 'Cause it's not that clean on TSX. I don't want it to block the view for now. So far, just lower highs, just a little downtrend. Intraday. Do we stabilize here at prior day high? Let's see. This thing is trading so slow, just low volume. What is this? Which way does this little range resolve? Yeah, 100%, bro. Until Powell's done, at least. I think it's gonna be pretty slow. Just don't get chopped, man. Just don't get chopped. Wait until something is very obvious. I feel like this is the environment where you take a higher low or something and you just get chopped on. I know, same. I think a lot of people are getting chopped up in this. Anyone who's actively trading anyway. It's definitely not the environment. Nice little bounce there. I was hoping it would get another sweep of this low, but nothing. Ideally, this thing here builds out into just a wide structure. Here, prior day high. Now we sweep it and go. That would be nice for an entry. Alternatively, something like this. But I probably won't enter here. Exactly, yeah. AKA chop. I'll see if we don't get nothing in the next like hour, I'm probably just gonna call it a day. Just take a red day. Or at the very least, set alerts. $443. Yeah, same. Same. Just needed to be clean. Damn. Some volume coming in finally. There's some volume and some activity. I think too, I mean, it's not that clean, but there was a little bit of an up thrust right here of that. Grabbed that liquidity and took it down. Not the greatest, but could make a case for that. No spring. Just bounce into prior day high and more sellers. Okay, that's interesting. You guys are funny. I mean, yeah, I don't got to trade there, man. That is too wide of a signal. Let's see y'all's executions. Okay, let's see. Hold on, Ray. Oh, hold on. What did you... Oh, I see. I get it, but I just couldn't go against this while we are still below prior day high. It's kind of tough. Yeah, too wide. And I already took a few of those, so it's exactly why I'm down right now. It takes so long to recover from one of those big stops, which I don't even have to take. Like, I could just wait for a better setup with a tighter stop. If I'm wrong, it's not that bad. But in this case, it's bad. Yeah, it's just not even clean traps. This is what I'm saying. Like I'm not even touching it. So I'm not even touching it. I'd rather wait for something obvious, you know? Like if we swept this and like only went this low and bounced, I'd be all over that. But this is a bit of a mess. It's like too wide for a spring, and then if you try to short as like a retest of prior day high, you get stopped. And now it's just kind of chopped. So best to just sit around. Ray, are you green on the day? I have a feeling you're getting chopped up. Let me know, what are those fib trades looking like? I have not seen anything compelling. I need to know, man. I need to know. Down 150 is not bad at all. Not bad at all. I should be up there with you. But there's just no setup. I mean, this is just insane chop. It was like torture by boredom. Bro, what is the range here even? Point range? I have an idea. Every time it tests priority high, just put a limit order. Just kidding, don't do that. No, I know. Yeah, that's valid what you're saying. I was joking. I just know that some people trade in the industry. Like they'll just have a limit order on their whatever level they're watching, and as it tests it, they get filled. Yeah, I'd rather do exactly what you said. Wait till there's some sort of a bid there, and then join it. Gonna try a scalp of this baby structure. All that. If it fills me. Dead. Nice. So the idea worked. The idea worked. And I kept my order up, but I was waiting for that same bounce that we just got right here instantly. I took it off. I was like I said, I was looking for this candle to show follow through right at this time. Once I started seeing this, I'm just not that interested. It's a little too long for what I wanted to see. But the thesis was overall correct. Or the bias. Hope that makes sense. Just wanted to see one thing, it didn't happen, so I took my order off. Don't want to get all sloppy with this action. I know, right? They're watching this stream. Nah, I stopped thinking like that. Because like I was saying this a few weeks ago, or a few days ago, whenever that was, that we're on sim. Like even if you're a funded trader, your orders just, they don't even hit the market. You're literally just trading a simulated environment. So whatever tricks happen and you think the market's out to get you, the market legit doesn't even see your orders there. So it's just a funny coincidence every time. Like especially the times where you get trapped, like your order gets swept somehow or underticked. I used to take it personal until I realized that this is sim. Yeah, I think they are because I don't. Yeah, it had a back adjusted chart, so we are at all-time highs. Yeah. If I remove the back adjustment, we're at all-time highs. Alright, let's see if we got a new little day in a sweep of this. Or what? See what we get. A little bit of buyers trying to front run the low. Powell's done speaking, by the way. They're trying. They're not letting us sweep it. Yeah, no sweep. That's crazy. Buyers were just stepping in ahead of that low. Be right back. Bro, just a kiss and goodbye for real. That's terrible, man. This day already sucks. There's already no opportunities and they can't even give us a sweep? Come on, man. They built this whole structure just to not sweep it. Pain. Unreal. Still no new trades in the last hour. Do? Okay, right. Is this new low day sponsored by you? For real. Bro single-handedly made this happen. Damn. No setup. No setup. Good mango to you too, sir. Good mango. Alright, I just got filled. This looks better on the 1 minute. Dude. That's just pain. I switched to scalping 5 points just to avoid situations like that. And then they still get me. Could almost hear Nelson from The Simpsons laughing at me. I need a sound bite. I need a sound bit, whatever it's called. Keep speaking, Ray. Make this thing dance. Oh, 420. Yeah. Couple of ticks off, like 8 tick away, but yeah. You're writing this what, bro? You're doing what? Somebody check on this guy. Somebody check on VPOC. Okay, about 10 points on that bounce so far. Alright, I got some fresh DMs. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, I'm gonna need you to explain something to me, sir. I'm gonna need you to explain what compelled you to jump in on 25 when that's still below this range. See, like, the reason I had my entry here is because that reclaims us back into the range, but you entered at 25. And while I understand the signal, you're just bumping into this. So, please explain. Crazy. That's crazy. Oh, my setup is lagging. One sec. All right, we're back. Five-minute hammer. Oh, that tiny thing. Wait. Oh, okay, yeah, I see that. But that's already back in the structure. No fib there. Friday VPOC. Riding to 500. Buddy. We got all this and this and this and this, and not only that, you're light years away at the pace that this market's been trading. Not to discourage you to close your position early or anything, but it's a mild one. 420 is a magic number like 9/11, perhaps. He's right, I'm right, you're right, everybody's right. You know why? Because all this is fake. None of this is real. Because the market is wrong. Bro, I fast every day for the entire session, so I only eat after the market closes. And my roommate is cooking something up, man, some kebabs or something. It smells like onions and meat. Makes this whole situation very tough. Alright, let's see, Ray. Let's see. You would get our fiddler. You would get our magic line. Yeah, there it is. Dare I try it in my practice account? Yes, I do. As soon as we see a little green candle. There it is. I'm in. I'm in per Mr. Ray's strategy. In the practice. Too much going on. Delete that. Delete that. See, Ray, we're trading your magic line, man. I hope this makes you proud. There we go. 1 point for Mr. Ray. Amazing. That 61% fib too lines up with the bottom of the structure anyway. So that was nice. That was nice. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'll be keeping an eye on that. We'll be keeping an eye. I don't blame you because it makes sense, but also it's like you and Dave were saying, you gotta put your target on the body of the last structure. So right there, and that's exactly what it tested. Twice. Yeah. Yep. I like my bracket orders. I can't negotiate with the terrorist. Terrorist being myself. some structure here in the pre-market. So I don't know if I'll try to look for another sweep here. I might just wait till we test this zone, see how we react, or let's just see what happens here first. Bro, I cannot stop yawning. It's painful. Again, no sweep. Buyers just front around that low. This is that all-time highs kind of action. Yeah, it's a little lower. Unless, let me see on the RTH. Or actually, I have this thing. I always forget I have this. Yeah. Nice. So it is right there. Chrissy, are you saying we should do back adjusted charts only after the roll for a day? Like on the roll week for a day? And then after that day go back to normal? Is that what you're saying? So, never back adjust again? I don't know. Kyle said he's gonna make a write-up about it. I'm guessing it's gonna be posted sometime later today. Yeah, I know. I know. But I get it though. I like to make my trading as objective as possible too, so good call. Yeah, look again. Action got tighter. Just super tight. And no volume. No volume. Yeah, but you know what also could make you a genius? If you stop taking higher lows and look for grabbies only. You might just become a genius very quick. Bro, I grabbied myself into negative 1200 on the session. 2 fat wide stops. And now we're back. Almost. What up, Ika? How are you? How are you? Raise 425 trade. New low day. Good volume. Yeah. Might be too wide of a stop, honestly. Yeah. There's a little sweep of that pre-market zone I was looking at too. Plus the test of Friday VPOC, or on the extended hours chart. Yeah, I know. Not only am I long in the downtrend, I'm long with a fat stop that I will never financially recover from. I don't short. Markets only go up. Dang, I think this gave a Ray entry right there, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah, Ray, oh my God, you did it again. 61% fib to the tick. God damn, I know he's gonna be sending me a chart any second. Let's see it. I just trade longs though, Ika. I only trade longs. I don't like to do shorts. It's not my speed. Just a little liquidity sweep. and a bounce. Long. All the shorts, in my opinion, would have had to been established here off 500 or like somewhere here off prior day high. There is no way I'm shorting the lows. That would be crazy. Hey, there he is, right on time, Mr. Ray. Mr. Ray, you son of a gun. Yo, Ray, you know what I like about this, bro? I actually have a great idea. So, I took this trade, right? The stop is insanely fat, which is never great. What I can do from now on is just pass on these fat wide stops altogether. Wait until the rain entry comes out. Once it curls over. And usually the rain entry retests the structure low with that 61 fib. And then just take that. Just take that. It's a much better entry and a much quicker result on the sweep wherever the stop is this wide. But yeah, definitely something to keep an eye on. First grabby you like, did you take it? What do I think you do? I think you paint your restroom every day. That's what I think you do. I think you just give your restroom a new paint job every day. But yeah. So like this is what I mean though. This is that instance where like if we take this sweep, the stop on this one is tight. So I could just take it, right? Maybe yeah, you have your array entry, but that's cool. But on like a fat signal, may as well just avoid that and then wait for the golden ray entry. The ray entry, re-entry, you know, get it? Little wordplay. Re-entry, ray entry. Oh goddamn. I already checked the entry to spring level. What do you mean? 414. I don't get it. Cause the low of that structure is like 20. Like right through there. So the only two entries I see is like you're entering through this candle's high. This is your signal candle, which is fat and long. Or you take the fib entry. $414.25. What is $414.25? I don't see fat and long. Yeah, I don't see anything at 414.25. I don't understand. Alright, you guys are confusing me, all of you. Damn, the lot of you don't make no sense. I'm looking left. I don't see shit. Oh, you're talking about this. God damn. Okay, I get it, bro. I get it. All right. Take it easy, guy. Take it easy. I forgot. I forgot what we're even doing here, okay? I forgot that not only is it a sweep of this, it's also a sweep of this pre-market low. I literally mentioned it too. It's because I'm dehydrated, bro. Okay, yesterday's left is crazy. I see the pre-market. Yesterday's left is a little... Oh, I get that too, I guess. Yeah, if you go on the RTH. Yeah, you know, whatever. Whatever, man. I'm glad we were able to clear that up. Do we have 500? I mean, maybe. If these buyers quit playing around, but this might be your most bullish 30-minute of the session. It's about to close here in less than 2 minutes, so you may just get your wish. Bro, I told you earlier on I have not been locked in today. I don't know what's wrong with me. So DWAL says QQQ is holding all-time high. What's that for? NQ. NQ. Oh, nice. NQ all-time high is 425. So that's... That was it. That was it. Ray, that might be your cue to hold for 500. If this 30-minute closes bullish, which it is, in 20 seconds, this is all-time high zone holding. Trail 428. That should be good, I think. Should be straight. You know? We're already through that prior 30-minute bar high, technically. Does it just do we continue to see it? Ooh, look at that hourly too. I think your hourly is gonna be your enemy right there. You need to get through that bar high too. I get it per structure, but that might be a little tight. You need to see like something like that. Don't you got like 15 contracts? Just sell most into strength and ride like 3 or 5 for the 50 yoints. Be plenty. Goosey trailed. Alright. I'm gonna need to see some executions for educational purposes. Sent them? Oh yeah, I seen yours. Let's see yours, Chrissy. The other Canadian monster. Mike. Mike, you a little quiet. What's good with you, Mike? You've been waiting for this all day. Let's see it. There's mine. I just got my 5 points. Not crazy. There's Chrissy. Oh, nice. Bro. Took the rain monster entry. Let's go. Pretty clean exits too. Nice work. The rain nano higher low. Is that why you took it though? Is that why you took it? Because of the ray fib, or did you see something on your own? I'm just curious. Is rain our new Lisan Al Gaib? Is rain the new Lisan Al Gaib? Or did Chrissy make something up of his own in that area? Yeah, bro, they were targeting your trail, right? They wanted you out. Somebody was tuned into this live stream. And was it okay? You like the sweep, and was it the sweep of this area? Oh, okay. Roger. I'm just curious, am I the only idiot that entered right there? Like, now I feel stupid for risking that much, when I could have just leaned on that. Didn't want to get long under 425. Yeah, my entry's at 425 too. Damn. Ray, you did it. What? Your trail was 1 tick away. That's crazy. Look at that guy. Monstrosity. Okay, I want to see yours again, Christy. Let me see. Okay, never mind. I thought for some reason, okay, it shows execution is weird, but you entered like up here. I thought you entered like way down here. Makes sense though. I didn't look at the actual price point. Wish we could get a better execution arrow for TSX, but it is what it is. Reclaim a 450 could make us massive green. Funny. Talking like one of these. At the prior day high. Yeah, I'm just, I think so too. I would agree. I'm just very compelled by how the 30-minute closed along with the hourly. Just gonna need to see some continuation, obviously. And the only way we see that is just with this drawing. Something like that. Trailed. Yeah, it's unfortunate. I was really thinking they would push this up higher. Yeah, I know. I was thinking that it would hold, especially the way it just bounced right there. I definitely thought we had more juice. To be fair, it still might if it doesn't roll over. Gap fill? Isn't it already filled? It's like a couple of points off. Like 4 or 5 points off. Yeah, 404, yeah. And sesh low is 410. So that's what I'm saying. It's like we came about 5-ish points off. And just I would say that is your gap fill, I don't know. That's your close right there. So it's 405 on my chart, if I'm looking at it correctly. It's right there. Oh, no. Yeah, like 404, 75-ish. Same thing. So yeah, about 5 points away from it. But if they really try to go for the gap fill, I could see this build out a whole nother range and then Sweep that and then go, potentially. Yeah, then a good old grabby. And the only reason I'm saying that is just the way this hourly looks. Like I feel like they're either gonna push us through this hourly high and continue higher, or they're gonna try and trap a bunch of longs that are getting in right now and only then run it. But I'm just theorizing. I don't know shit. I'm just a guy. Yeah, but don't forget though, this is your all-time high. Shout out to the no back adjustment 425. This is your all-time high. We're sitting there right now. This is your all-time high. Prior all-time high. Right through here. Alright, Crucy. Enjoy your lunch. I'll be right back. I'm gonna crank out another coffee. Oh, I'm a retard, man. Jesus Christ, bro. I keep doing this every time. And what's crazy, it's been off for like 5-10 minutes. And I've been talking shit this whole time. Wild. Listen, the coffee is amazing. It's just black coffee with a scoop of whey, and I added a little drop of Canadian syrup in there to pay homage to my northern bros. Dude, having a day for real. What the hell? This is one of those days, huh? Makes sense about the lady latte now. It's just that time of the month. But this is bomb. The lady latte is bomb. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, I would put Tim Hortons out of business with this little protein coffee. You just don't even understand. Who puts maple syrup in their latte, bro? I don't think nobody does that. They put some seed oil sweetener full of sugar and nuclear waste. But here I am with my all organic, straight from God, straight from the earth. Anyway, I was saying earlier, this is a nice bounce. This is a nice bounce. There was like a little 60% Fibbolero there, 62 right here. I mean, it's you gotta use your imagination, but it's there. And then a micro sweep of that prior local low. So that's interesting. Oh yeah, VPOC shifted. Nice. Surprised it's only down here and not lower, actually. You know what? I think if we hang out here for a little bit longer, it might even shift down to 430. Oh yeah, do we get a... Never mind. I was gonna say, do we get a higher low here at prior day high like this, but... It looks like... I don't know. Maybe I'm using my imagination too much. You know what's crazy? I made the coffee extra ladylike today with the straw, bro. I don't ever drink it with a straw. But I saw one hanging out there by itself, and I decided it's gonna be one of those days. The old folks say, a little too much sugar in his gas tank. Ah, come on. What's a hint of latte stuff? What does that even mean? Please do tell us. What does that mean? There's a 38 fib right there that we just got sold off of this high right there. That's the 38 intra fib for the shorts. Bro, what do you You're over there using some artificial sweetener nonsense. I'm over here using some straight whey and a drop of syrup. I think your coffee is more ladylike than mine, because mine isn't sweet. What are you trying to come for my coffee? Meanwhile, he's even worse. Yeah. I like my coffee with a little VPOC in it. The VPOC special coffee. No, I do like black coffee though, honestly. I really enjoy black coffee too. It's just one day I found out that I could also throw protein in it and it'll be great. And then I get my little daily dose of protein plus flavorful coffee. It was just a random discovery that I had. Haven't gone back to black since. By the way, the volume, again, very lacking. And funny how sellers stepped in at that new session VPOC, as well as that structure right there, a little up thrust, and then add a 38% fib to the confluence for the shorts. Now back into the prior all-time high. See how we act. See how we do here. And that 30-minute too, they had some follow through for a second. Let's see, is there any Fed speak? No, nothing. Sweeping that prior low. give it a try. No bid. No bid. I wonder if we test the lows. Okay. May as well take that off for now, till we see further structure develop. Let's see what the 1 minute comes out to. Okay, slide bid. I'll put my limit order right through there in case we get something. No fill yet. Build. See if that goes. Again, just playing the undercut here with the benefit of prior all-time high. See what happens. There you go. $2 in the green. GG's. From down 1200 on the session. Just one base hit at a time. Oh yeah, look yesterday too. Yesterday, same type of day. So funny. I wish it showed the actual P&L price chart that I went. Oh well. Anyway, that was a good attempt. Hopefully, I don't know if Mike or Ray got that. You guys are a little quiet, but we might see a Ray fib entry here as well. Got that? Nice. Is that your first trade in like the last 2-3 hours? If it is, I wouldn't blame you, but there goes your rain entry. Nice, nice, nice. Hey, I commend the patience, because you said you were red and you didn't go until. That's huge. For me too, you saw I was deep red. I was deep red. Was not that far from liquidation. And we didn't tilt, so that's a good day. So now just hanging out, waiting until the next trade, I guess. Ideally, I would want to see buyers step in here and just continue holding it down at priority high, but we might just see that 400 get tested at with the lows and the pre-market structure here. All right, new low of day. There it goes. There it goes. Some volume coming in too. Oof. Into overnight low. Wow, quick move. Is there news or is it just technical? No news. No news, just technical. Any day without tilt is a good day. I agree 100%. I agree 100%. Because a red day, you can definitely come back from tilt. You can never come back from tilt. That's your account gone. I guarantee it. Okay. Alright, so being that we're so close to overnight low, I don't think I'm gonna place any trades here until we sweep that or develop further market structure. I'm not interested in getting involved with just this little area here or anything like that. We'll just wait until the full. Oh, there we go. There is news. There is news. Check this out. There was news. Let's see. Let it update for a sec. Should come in any second. Well, I got it on my other wire. Nothing here. Topstep X lagging behind. Anyway, here's the news. I'll just show you on my other wire. It's that right there. So that makes sense. And now back into your prior structure here. Oh, we got Powell speaking again. We got Powell speaking again. So that's that. I know, right? To be honest, both move the market, right? I'll take either one. As long as we're not sitting in complete chop, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy. But there you go. There's a little sweep of that. And then I'll back into the prior or intraday structure. Back into the intraday structure. Couldn't get an entry. This is just too wide of a stop for me personally. There's no way I'm risking 22 plus points, especially if it rolls over and then actually sweeps the overnight low. That's just not worth it. So passed on that. Passed on that, as I was saying. Would rather wait until the overnight low is swept and then see. Till then, we're just chilling. Till then, we're just chilling. And the gap has been filled too, by the way. Bruh. Yes, bruh. You thought the Bulls were back in town, huh? They're not. No Bulls, no Bears, just vibes. You know what, Ray? You son of a gun, I'm gonna join you. I'm gonna join you. I'll take this $2 gain and call it a day. Better than red, and I'm just not interested in hanging out in this low volume environment. I just don't care. So I'll even do this just so you have my word. I'm locked out now. Now I can't trade. So any trade I do take is going to be on the practice account. That said, see you, Mike. See you, Ray, Chrissy, everyone else watching. Been a slow day, but a fun one nonetheless. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's right. Later.